Most people get this wrong. They assume Bannerflow is just another banner ad creator, but the surprising truth is that it's a complete creative management platform designed for scalable digital advertising. Bannerflow lets you design, produce, and publish digital ads across multiple channels, all from a single platform. Its drag-and-drop editor allows for HTML5 ad creation, while pre-built templates help teams work faster. You can also automate ad creation for multiple sizes, which is a huge time saver for campaigns that need dozens or even hundreds of variations. Another strong feature is analytics and optimization. Bannerflow tracks performance metrics in real time, letting you test variations, optimize campaigns, and report results to stakeholders. For example, you can see which creative elements drive clicks or conversions, and then make adjustments without restarting the design process. Collaboration is also a highlight. Multiple users can work on the same campaign, share assets, and maintain brand consistency across all ads. This makes it ideal for agencies or in-house marketing teams managing large campaigns. Some downsides include cost, as Bannerflow is geared toward mid to large businesses, and it can have a learning curve for beginners. But for teams handling multiple campaigns, the efficiency gains are significant. The surprising truth is that Bannerflow isn't just about designing ads. It streamlines the entire ad production workflow, making it faster, more collaborative, and data-driven. In conclusion, Bannerflow is best suited for marketing teams and agencies who need to scale creative production efficiently and track performance in real time. If you are serious about digital advertising at scale, it's worth a closer look. Subscribe for more honest reviews on marketing tools that save time and boost campaign performance.